Good day everyone, this is a video about a tool that we developed for students, teaching them about top-down parsing. This is a very simple tool that can be used before teaching about proper LL1 parsing and the methods and first sets and follow sets and so on. Here the students can try to derive the input from the top using the grammar rules with an intuitive manual way. So we have to select non-terminal, we have to select a rule and just click produce, and then we get the right hand side of the rule here. So basically the tree is expanded. Then we can select again another leaf non-terminal, click produce, and we can do this until there are no leaves that are non-terminals left. Of course here we didn't really derive the expected input, so if we create validate, then we get an error message, but we can always go back with this undo button and say that we want to expand E to E plus B, and then from E we would like to go to B, and this B should be exchanged to A, and this B should be exchanged to B, and now if we validate, then it will accept our result, and that's it.